supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane.
What's the phone? What is the problem?
What is going on? Stop!
Wait! I'll kill you!
Stop!
What is wrong with you?
Stop!
Are you mad? Okay, you want to attack me?
What?
You want to attack me?
You want to fight? What is it?
You are the problem.
What did I do?
You don't know what you did.
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
So this is what you guys have been doing? Under the pretense of a houseboy?
What did I do?
Okay. Look at it. What is this? What is this? I was just a fool. I was just a fool. I thought something beautiful could come out between us. Huh?
Yeah.
People warned me about you. I was told to do something about you. I thought to myself, there must be something beneath all this deceit. I was just a fool. I was just a pawn on your chessboard, spun around your selfish being.
I can't explain, I swear. I can't explain.
Explain what?
Let me just...
It's all very clear. Yes. I thought you were a woman of substance. But I was wrong. You're just a shallow opportunist.
Hey, don't speak to her, the lady I love like that. Don't speak to her that way.
A woman you did what? A woman you love? A woman you love? See what she's doing to herself. You think she loves you?
I am not complaining.
You think she loves you? She doesn't care about anybody. She cares only for herself.
Stop.
She cares only for herself.
Please, can you stop?
She's just using you as a sex toy
Can you stop, please?
just to satisfy her sexual urge.
Please stop.
Hey, if you say that one more time, I will punch
It's
you.
okay, it's okay.
She is just using you, so you need to hear this. You're the most stupid person I've ever seen on earth. Do you understand?
I will punch your face. I will punch
Hey,
your...
you still need to hear this. You still need to hear this. Okay? So calm down. You've exposed yourself of all your lies. But your game is up. Just kiss goodbye to all the good things I have for you. A gold digger. Hey, she's just using you. You're just a sex toy. Gold digger.
I am not complaining, Mr. Man.
I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me. Oh, the game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do.
Next time I see you here,
This
test
is
their
insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. Yeah. I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me. Oh, the game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing.
Are you just going to sit and be waiting for doomsday? It will be. Accept my offer. Elope with me. Let us go somewhere very far that we can be together. And then you put this behind you.
Your offer is quite tempting, but unrealistic. How do we survive? Very soon, all the endorsements, I will lose them. How do I won't be able to afford. I won't afford paying your salary.
Really? You still see me like your employee? Besides, who is even talking about payment here? Everywhere, I'm just going to get something to do to take care of you as it should be. Come with me.
I see love has made you naive. Love of today needs sufficient fund. Love isn't just enough.
So you're just going to sit here and be waiting for the day Alexis Prescott will reveal the truth and people troop, bang on the gate and embarrass you.
Why do I have to wait for him to come when I can do it myself? I started this whole thing and I'll end it.
You really want to do this?
People will find out one way or the other. But it's better they find out from me, the source. I'll do it. I'll just go on live and tell them that's what I've been contemplating about. Just do it right away.
Who's that?
My uncle.
Pick it.
My goodness, he has heard. Yeah, I guess Alex Prescott has called him.
Why don't you just pick it and hear what he has to say?
Okay. Sorry. Hello, Uncle. What? Wow. Wow, Uncle, congratulations. Uncle, I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm just happy for you, that's all. Okay.
What did he say?
Alexis gave him the contract.
Really? You did?
Why? After everything?
This means one thing, Ebube. He still loves you. Who?
Alexis. Hello, Alexis. Okay. All right. Um, Alexis is coming. Yeah.
Okay. I want to ask you one question.
Okay.
Do you really love him?
I don't know.
Was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me. The game is playing me now.
My love, I'm sorry for what I said. I said it out of anger. I want things to work. And I know you want things to work too. Together we can make things work. Okay? I'm ready to forget all that happened and marry you. But I want you to do one thing for me.
What is it?
Ask him to leave. Yes. That's the only way things can work. Either he leaves or I leave.
It will be. This is not the time to keep silent. Say something. This is the time to choose between true love and affluence.
She loves me.
Let her be the judge on that.
Scheme and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me. The game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane.
Okay. I'll make it easy for you. I will leave. But make sure you find what you're looking for. Above all, your happiness is paramount.
The game is playing me. The game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do.
My love, let him go. It's for better. I promise you, everything will be fine.
But it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turned.
Never mind, I've found someone I will love that will love me back. I wish both of you nothing but good luck.
I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a
But
difficult puzzle.
do not forget me.
Confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. Thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and Ibis back on. They've been learned their so I for mama insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, mama insufficient for love. Yo, we must get the publicity. I must to get that more. Celebrity life is too sweet. But we go rock out, no matter what you need, go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less, so you go see me for press. Yo, no more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, no more insufficient for love. Yo. We must get the publicity. I must to get that. She dey aim very high. She know they settle for less. And that is why you see her for press. Ibis back on. They've been learned their so wife for. No more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, no more insufficient for love. Yo, we must get the publicity. I must to get that more. Celebrity life is too sweet. But we go rock out, no matter what you need, go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less, so you can see me for press. Yo, no more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, no more insufficient for love.
This man is more foolish than I thought. He still went back to her despite seeing the video. If I didn't know it would be, I would say she used black magic on him. But there is no problem. I am fully armed for this war. Let's see how she will withstand the scandal when I finally release the sex video on social media.
We must get the publicity. I must get that
Where's the video? Where's the damn video? What happened to it? Where?
But we go rock up, no matter what you need, go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less, so you go see me for press. Yo. No more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must get that more.
I'm okay. What about you?
Fine.
Thank you for taking me out.
You're welcome.
The clothes are so beautiful.
I know you like it.
Thank you. So thoughtful of you. Why are you not picking up?
It's nothing.
Okay. Hope everything is fine.
There's nothing to worry about, okay?
Too sweet, but we go rock up. No matter what you need, go take you. See my friend, I don't tire.
The houses here are so beautiful.
Oh, yes, they are.
No more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must get that more. Joy, no more insufficient for love. We must get the publicity. I must get that more. It's back on. They've been learning so wide for us. No more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must get that more. Joy, no more insufficient for love. We must get the publicity. I must get that more. Celebrity life is too sweet, but we go rock up. No matter what you need, go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less, so you go see me for press. Yo. No more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must get that more. Joy, no more insufficient for love. We must get the publicity. I must get that more. She aim very high.
Why are you crying?
Alice is called off the engagement. Yes, he did.
But why?
I don't just know. He said it's not going to work out between us. I begged and begged him. He said I should go. Bury after everything, unless it's called off the engagement.
It must be that Ebube girl. She casted a spell on him.
How? How could that be? I can't imagine. Alexis chose Ebube over me. That lying bastard. He even wrote a check of 10 million naira for me as payoff.
He did?
Yes.
That is not a bad one. Yes. Take the money, start up something for yourself. That girl is of no good. But sooner or later, he will come to realize his mistakes.
Really? Barry, are you the one saying this? Are you the one saying this, Barry? I should take 10 million naira as payoff? When I can get a lifetime financial security as Mrs. Prescott? How can that stupid baby girl enjoy all the fortune while I live with a mega sum? How?
It's all about the money, isn't it? Huh? Okay, so tell me, what do you intend to do? Because from all indications, you have lost out, my friend.
No. No. If he thinks I'm going to live without a fight, he's a big joker.
Amanda, I want you to be extremely careful so that you don't get hurt while doing this.
Barry, can I be more hurt than this?
Listen, girl. Dealing with Alexis can be dicey. 10 million is a huge sum. Just take that money, start up something for yourself. I mean, you cannot depend on a man for the rest of your life. This is just my 2 cents. If you decide to do otherwise, I can't stop you.
Hey!
Good day.
Ogugu Amobi. Ogugu Amobi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I was actually on my way to your house.
My dear, this is where I used to come out to relax. You know,
Anyway, let's sit down. Let's sit.
okay.
Nze. I've been meaning to ask. Are you still into my friend, Ibube?
Ibube, how can you ask me that question? Of course I am still into a band. I still want her back. In fact, the reason I am always coming out here is because I feel lonely staying at home alone. If not, I would be with Ibube in my house as my wife.
And what are you willing to do to have her back?
Ogugwa, in as much as I am angry with my daughter Ebubechukwu, she is still my daughter. I am sorry I can't do what you're asking of me. How could you come with such an idea? I thought you were best of friends.
Mama, that's why we're doing this. Mama, are you not aware that Ebube was once kidnapped?
Kidnapped?
Mama, Ebube's life is in danger. She was once kidnapped. We paid huge sum of money for her to be released. Mama, right now, Alexis Prescott has gotten hold of the whole situation. Mama, he is threatening brimstone and fire. Mama, you have to do this so. Because we cannot just sit and do nothing. Mama, I know this doesn't sound sweet, but this is the only way we could help her. Her life is in danger. I'm sure this man will kill her if you don't do anything. So you have to do something. You have to do something, please. I'm scared. I don't want anything to happen to her. And what I suggested is exactly what you need to do for her to be released. Mama, otherwise...
Hey! I said it. I said that this girl will land me in trouble one day. Hey! Ebube Chukwu. Ebube, I want you. Huh? Ilachata. Ebube, alachata go.
You have to act and act very fast. It's in danger, Mama.
People of the world, my name is Charity Anosike. I am Ebube, Priska Anosike's mother, who made everybody believe that she is engaged with Alexia's Prescott. She lied and deceived all of you. It was all a sham. Ebube, my daughter, is only engaged with one man known as Nze Nafili Nzakonobi in our village.
Now, Alexias has captured my daughter and she's suffering.
He is making her to do so many things, so many unimaginable things. I am begging you.
Alexias on my Prescott, please, release my daughter.
Release Ebube for me. She's all I've got. I'm begging you.
She must have learnt her lessons. Please, release her. Be good.
Release Ebube. Oh, I don't have another child apart from Ebube. I am begging you.
Alexias and my Prescott, please release my daughter. If you want me to kneel down before the whole world.
I'm a poor woman. I don't have anything.
If you look around, you will see. This is me. This is my house. I am begging you. Thank you.
Mama, why now? Mama, why now? Why now? Why are you doing this to me?
The date for our traditional marriage was almost set and prepared. All of a sudden, she said she is no longer interested with the wedding. I tried to convince her, I tried to beg her, I tried to make her understand that the path she is taking is not the right path. But she insisted and refused. As it stands now, my wife has been taken away from me by a force that is greater than me. Please, I urge the public to help me beg Alexis Prescott to leave my wife before me. I want her back, and I am ready to spend the rest of my life with my wife. Please, public, help me beg Alexis Prescott.
I warned her severally about the plan. I tried to let her see the dangers in it. But Ebube is very stubborn. Once she sets her heart on something, she goes all out for it. She doesn't care about the consequences. I'm sorry to say this here, but Alexis Prescott has turned my friend into a sex slave. My friend has turned into a sex toy for Alexis Prescott. Please, you guys have to do something. My friend is in great danger. Thank you all.
came and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me. Oh, the game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. Oh, this is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusion.
I hate to say I told you this.
I knew you were going to say that.
This is not good for our company.
Guys, we're not going to be robbed into this whole affair, okay?
Sir, what are we going to do now?
Simple steps. We terminate her contract, dissociate ourselves from hers. And thirdly, which is most importantly, make it to the public that we're not aware or that we're not in any privy with her fraudulent activities. Simple.
Is that all we care? Is that all we care? Saving the face of this company? Mr. Dan, did we even watch that clip with our eyes? Or we just want to forget about the main part?
Mike, what are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say is that this video is not about her fraudulent activities. Mr. Prescott is currently taking the advantage of the situation. This girl is in trouble. So we need to look towards that fact.
Guys, it's less of our business, not our business, not the company's business at all.
Mike, she put herself into this mess, okay?
My dear, you are a woman like her. So I am surprised you are the one saying this.
Excuse me. What was I supposed to do? I mean, I am nothing like her. I should applaud her for her stupidity, right? No way. I can't do that. Just because we are of same gender, that's why you expect me to applaud her. Excuse me, sir. I would like to go back to work if you don't mind. Thank you.
Yes, Mike. Anything? You can call it a day then.
My love. I'm here for you. Love, I'm so sorry for everything, okay? I'm so sorry. I will amend everything. I'll make everything right. I know Abuga is behind all this, but I'll turn the table around her. I'm going to turn the table against her. Okay? I love you so much.
How can you love me after everything?
You know, sometimes we cannot explain love.
Do you know the embarrassment I put myself into. Do you know the scandal I have gotten myself into?
Do not worry yourself. We're going to correct all the scandals, okay?
Please go. I want to be alone, please.
Oh, sorry, I cannot leave you in this state.
Please just go, please.
It's okay.
I want to be left alone. Please, sir.
It's okay. It's okay. I would go. But I'll ask Agumba to put an eye on you. Okay? Whenever you need anything, just let me know. But always know that I love you so much.
Was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game.
I am sorry for everything. Please forgive me.
I love you.
I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me. The game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane, cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane, cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing.
No, wait. Don't tell me you haven't seen that video. Eh? This is a perfect way to expose that impostor. Kudos to whosoever that planned it. Well planned out. I know it's scandalous for Alexis, but it serves him right. Yes, of course. It serves him right for dumping me. I just wish that karma could always be this swift. Yes, my God. Yes. I'm so happy.
Okay, fine. I understand everything that you're saying. But what if it doesn't work?
Relax, okay? This is going to hit her so bad. No one will want to have anything to do with her again. She will be so devastated. No man will want to take her in. She will come back running into your awaiting arms. Don't you see it?
Ogugwa, Ebube is supposed to be your friend, and here you are making this kind of plans with me. Let me ask you. Are you doing this thing to help me, or are you doing it due to a personal interest that I'm yet to know?
Don't you think it's a little too late to ask that question? Well, you're right. I'm not doing it for you. However, at the end of the day, you will get what you've always wanted. Now stop going all moral on me, please.
Now you listen to me. Listen to me, Ogugwa Amobi. If this thing doesn't work, I'm going to kill you. Trust me on that.
Okay, Biko, let's go. Everything I'm doing it for your own good. Let's go, Biko.
Hello, Annie. It's all over. Listen, just want to say thank you for everything. I'm going to lie low for now. I'm just going to go and hide. I'm going back to the village. I have to be there till the dust is settled. Don't worry, once I'm settled, I'll call you back, okay? Thank you for everything, the house, everything. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Ebube! Answer me. What is the meaning of this? Is it true? Answer me!
Yes. Yes, it's true.
What?
It's true. Uncle, Uncle, I lied to you. I lied to everybody. I mean, I didn't know who Alex Prescott was when I started making the videos.
What? But I met Alex Prescott here in your house. What are you talking about?
Uncle, the person you met wasn't Alex Prescott. That person was my houseboy.
What, a houseboy? No? No? Houseboy?
Yes.
So who ordered Chris to sign a contract document for you?
Mr. Chris is the same as Alex Prescott.
I'm not following anymore. This is confused. I am lost.
I'm lost too. I don't know myself anymore. Uncle, honestly, it all started as a joke. Just a joke, and then it gradually morphed into an intricate web of lies and deceit. I didn't know.
Really?
Yes, Uncle.
So it is also true that he turned you into a sex slave?
No, no, Uncle, he didn't. That's a blatant lie. Uncle, that's a big lie. It's a purported plot to ruin me. And it was all planned by my friend Ogugwa.
Your friend Ogugwa? Your friend? Why would Ogugwa do that kind of thing? Why?
I don't know, the reasons best known to her. But Uncle, please, forgive me. Uncle, you have to forgive me. I dragged a good man. I dragged a good man into an expensive joke that almost ruined his name. I didn't mean to. Uncle, he's an innocent man. He doesn't even know me.
That this whole thing is a hoax or something? It's
I wouldn't put it that way. Brother, you played a game and won me over.
Mr. Chris? Or should I say Alexis Prescott?
Chris is fine. Mr. Sullivan.
Yes?
Your niece here was busy playing a game. And I was busy falling in love. All I'm here to do is to make her mine.
I'm sorry, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please, I'm sorry.
Priska Anosike.
Sir?
Marry me. Priska, please marry me. And let's prove to the world that our love is pure and genuine. Please. Please. Please.
Was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the
Charity, how could you subscribe to such a diabolical plan? A plan to ruin your own daughter's life? How?
I don't know. Ogogo came here and told me a horrible story. She told me how Alessia's Prescott was tormenting my daughter. She told me that she was making her do things against her will. So I did what I did, thinking I was doing the right thing.
You did what you did, thinking you were doing the right thing. How could you be doing the right thing? Huh? How could you go on social media to murder the character of your own daughter? Do you know how viral that video has gone? Do you know? Around the world, all kinds of people have watched it. Your own daughter in that kind of condition. Charity, you claim you didn't know. So why didn't you ask? Why did you not find out? This has always been your problem. You act on impulse. All the time. Impulse. The same way you chased away your husband. Yes.
Sullivan, you know I didn't do that. I did not chase him. He left me. Have you forgotten?
That is what you used to console yourself. But between you and I, you know, we know the truth. Anyway, this is not time for tears. Not time for lamentations. Not time for any kind of regret. You better do something fast before you lose your daughter as well. Oh yes, that is how bad the situation is. I have to go now.
What do I do? How do I go about...
but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you.
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Ladies and gentlemen, let us have a cheerful toast in celebration of our dear boss. In honor of our great Mr. Chris. Long life and prosperity. Happy birthday, boss.
Thank you, thank you. Okay.
Let's cut this cake. We are going to spell Prescott as it is written on the cake.
Okay.
Let's go.
And I want to use this opportunity to do something very special. Yeah, something very special. Yeah. Ebube. Would you marry me?
I can't.
What?
I can't do this.
Everybody, see, I only wished for one thing, which is waking up beside you every day. And I promise to turn the whole world around and make it yours.
I'm sorry. I can't.
Why? I thought this is what you've always wanted.
I didn't know what I've always wanted until now. I've always wanted fame, popularity. I've always wanted my name, Ebube Priska Anosike, to be on everyone's lips. And to achieve that, I stepped on the wrong toes. I made wrong choices. But for once in my life, I want to do the right thing. I want to follow my heart and not my head. Alexis, don't get me wrong. You're an amazing person. You're a very good man. And you deserve much more. But you see, I cannot marry you. I have to follow my heart. I'm sorry.
But it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so
Ebube.
confusing. I don't know what to
Ebube.
do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause
Back to your senses. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Please, don't do that.
No.
I was just looking out for you because hurt me so bad. I'm sorry.
Come on.
Because I'm sorry.
Watch your tears, okay?
I'm sorry.
Let's forget all that has happened in the past. Let bygones be bygone, okay? Let us start on a fresh note. That's it. That's it. It's your mommy. She means well all the time. And Charity, you are aware that the same Alexis Prescott has asked her to marry him.
The same Alexis Prescott.
Exactly.
Is this one for real or another?
It happened in my presence. She will confirm it.
Ne. What did you say, Mbo?
Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let's go inside, Mama. Let's go inside.
Who is it?
Who is that? Who is that?
Are you expecting anybody?
No.
Agumba. Agumba. Don't you recognize him? Agumba!
His name is Agumba. What's the problem? What's the problem?
Charity was my wife.